driving the extra mile for your business. Apart from providing you quality products, Autokid Truck Solutions also provides you with the best after-sales service.
We pride ourselves with having the widest selection of truck parts for our customers' business. Truckstop provides brand new and original spare truck parts for many brands such as Photon, Howo, Dongfeng, Isuzu, Mitsubishi, and many more.
Para sa mahihirap hanapin ng mga parte ng trucks, ang aming mga sales rep ang gumagawa ng paraan para ma-provide ang mga parteng kailangan ng customer. Ang parts ng Truckstop ay hindi lang para sa Autokid trucks, kundi para sa lahat ng customer.
Our service center here in Truck City has 80 service bays ready to accommodate trucks of all sizes. Our technicians are TESDA certified and are ready to provide customers with a comprehensive array of services for their trucks. Aside from regular PMS, other services include engine overhaul, transmission overhaul, tinsmith, painting, body assembly, electrical, calibration, upholstery, and towing services. Autokid Service Care also provides a 24-hour quick response team for Metro Manila. Our technician will inspect your truck and advise you on your next steps for proper repair.
I am Alvin Liu, President of Two Crystal Enterprise. This year, I've purchased over 10 trucks from Autokid. It has always been convenient for me and my business to rely on their after-sales services, especially their team. Actually, sa trucking industry, araw-araw bumabiyahe ang truck natin. Kaya natural lang dito na may bibigay na pyesa. Ang kagandahan dito sa Autokid is meron kaming Viber group thread. Pag na-address ko yung problema dito, 1 or 2 day, naayos agad nila. Malaki ang natulong nito sa trucker na tulad ko dahil ang ifo-focus ko na lang is the operations at biyahe lang ng biyahe. Ang maintenance and purchasing, natulungan na ako ni Autokid dito. Maraming salamat Autokid. Pagpatuloy niyo ang magandang serbisyo.
Here in Autokid, they will surely take care of you and your business, ranging from a wide selection of high-quality trucks to a hugely satisfying after-sales and undoubtedly reliable team. I can attest, you're in good hands.